They have now been our main choice for many, many years. It's what we have been recommending to our students, and here's why I recommend that you use them too. The reasons why I am suggesting you to use Namecheap, because there are a number of reasons, okay? Number one is ease of use. Firstly, their setup is a breeze. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned developer, Namecheap streamlines the process. Like you can get your website up and running in no time. And secondly, it is optimized for speed. Speed is key for website user experience. Namecheap ensures that with their optimized hosting, your WordPress site will load in a flash, okay? And the third thing is affordability, and quality doesn't have to break the bank, okay? And as the name suggests, Namecheap offers competitive pricing, ensuring you get top-tier service without the hefty price tag. And the number fourth is their stellar support, like day or night, and like you are in any time zone. Namecheap's support team is here to help. Their 24/7 customer service ensures your queries never go unanswered, okay? So whenever you are building a website, the security is the main concern. You can see it easy knowing that your website is secure. From SSL certificates to daily backups, Namecheap has got you covered actually, okay? From personal blogs to e-commerce giants, Namecheap's WordPress hosting is the partner that you can trust, okay? Don't let your website ideas just be ideas, okay? Bring them to life with Namecheap WordPress hosting. Turn your dreams into reality. Choose Namecheap. I beg your pardon. This was not actually the promotional video for Namecheap, but I would highly recommend you this service because this is absolutely amazing. And it is actually easy to use. It actually has great benefits, okay? So let's get started. The first step is that you need to create an account with Namecheap. I already have done that, so I'll just sign in with my account. I will provide the username and then the password, and then I will click on sign in, okay? It will actually send a verification code to my email. So you see how secure is this thing. Like without the verification code, you cannot get into your account. So here is the email from Namecheap, which has the code. So I'll copy this code, come back to Namecheap and paste it here. So here is my main dashboard. You can see right over here. So I'll just move on to WordPress hosting and I'll click on this try button, okay? So it's actually not providing free trials anymore. I don't know what's the issue, but it might just provide in some time in near future. So here you can see it is just, I am going with the monthly plan. So I will just provide with my card details and I will just sign up. Maybe when you are watching this video, it's providing you with like free trial as well. You can move on with the free trial as you wish, okay? So I will just provide with my card details and I will just quickly subscribe to this package, okay? It's like $9 for the first month and actually it's pretty cheap. It is actually providing you with like monthly plan, unlike other providers which just provide you with like yearly, 2-year or 3-year plan. So that's pretty much advantage. And maybe the free trial might be working for you, so that won't be an issue. You can just try this for free actually, okay? Like if you're not interested and like taking it seriously. So that would be an advantage actually. I just provided with my card details and I just successfully subscribed to this package, okay? Now, as you can see that it asks, like name your website. So for that, I will move on to ChatGPT. You can see right over here. So inside here, I will give a prompt like act as a digital marketing expert. Provide me with 10 names for a website that sells blue light blocking sunglasses. Okay, so this will be the theme of our website. Okay, so if I just hit enter, all right, here you can see it just provided me with 10 amazing names. You can see right over here. So if I just go through all of them, like this one is BlueGuardShades.com and LuminaBlock.com, Clearview, Blue Free, As your shade, I wear nightnightmirror.com, shades.com, blue white glasses, spectra stopper, opti blue blockers, and two-tone guardians. Okay, I actually like this one. Yeah, opti blue blockers is actually the one I like. Okay, yeah, that's fine. You can actually choose what you like. Okay, so I'll just move on to my easy WP right over here, and I will just give it a name like Opti Blue Blockers. Okay, I will give it spaces as well. So the next question it asks, what would you like to do on your website? So actually I want to sell online. So I'll just click on continue and it will take me to the new page. Okay, so now there are like a couple of options. The first one is like domain from EasyWP, that is free. Okay, so it will give you something like this. You can choose this one. You can always upgrade to a new domain. Okay, you can choose your domain on Namecheap as well. The domains are really cheap here as well, so this is the biggest advantage of this thing right over here. Okay, and you can actually add in the domains that are on some other provider as well. We don't have any domains available, so for now I will just go with the free one. Like I will just choose Opti Blue Blockers, something like this, and then I will just click on continue. Okay, so it's now asking to pick a theme. So for now, I think this one is fine. Maybe I can choose this one or this one. It doesn't matter. Okay, this actually looks like a storefront, but I will go with the basic one. That's fine for now. We will be installing theme in the next video as well. Okay, so I just click on continue. So it's saying that choose plugin. So for now, I will just skip this step. Okay, and now it says that review the details. Okay, your website will be live at this link right over here, and your subscription is like this one, like Easy WP Starter monthly, and your theme will be like 2023. Okay, so I'll just click on continue. So you see now it says that your website is live. Okay, if you just click on this thing right over here, it will open up your website. Look, it's like really simple theme which it shows when you set it up. Okay, so here is actually the name of your website. It is actually the sample page which takes you to another page. You can see right over here. Okay, and this is our home page and it says hello world. Pretty much basic and simple. That's amazing. Okay, so now we can actually move on to the WP admin part, which would be the admin part of our website, where we will be actually customizing our website. Okay, so you can see right over here that this is actually the WordPress admin page. Okay, so now to quickly set up your website, what you should do is, first of all, you need to go to the plugins and then click on install plugins. So here are all the plugins that are installed. So just click on all of them, and in the bulk action, first deactivate all. Okay, yeah, it's done. And then just select again and then just click on delete and then apply. Okay, so it will ask you like, are you sure you want to delete the selected plugins and their data? So just click on delete. So all of them will delete. So we will be installing new plugins in the next video of this section. Okay, so don't worry. So the next thing you want to do is you need to set up a user. So go onto the users and click on profile. Okay, so it is asking for admin color scheme. You can choose a color scheme according to your needs. Okay, so I will choose this light one, or maybe modern, maybe blue, maybe coffee. You can choose anything. Okay, here this is your username. Just make sure that you copy it down so that you don't forget it. Okay, so if you want to write down first and last name, you can write it. Okay, and you can choose a nickname as well and display name publicly as, you can either choose first name, last name, or something like that. When I choose this, it will change here as well. Okay, so email is required. You can add in a picture as well. You can add the details of the admin. Hey, this is an admin. Okay, you need to set a new password. So I will just set it up for me. Okay, now it is actually strong. It should be strong actually. Okay, and then I will just click on update profile. Okay, so it will update the profile for me. So yeah, it's done. Okay, so now if you want to access this website from anywhere, like this admin portion, okay, what you need to do is you need to actually copy the link. If I just go to the new cognition window and just /wp-admin, okay. So here you need to provide your username and then password, of course. So I can just click on remember me. It's up to you. And it will open up this thing right over here. Okay. Or you can actually come here from this thing right over here as well. You just need to go to Namecheap and you need to actually sign in with your Google account. And you can just move on to the WP admin section right here. Okay. So that's really easy. Amazingly well done. In the next lecture, we are going to be downloading a starter kit, which is going to fully design your website for us. So all we need to do is use all of the information we gathered in the previous sections. That is the product details that we are going to write in our pages. We are going to write it towards our target audience persona. And we are going to make sure that we use that strategy to beat our competitors using our competitor analysis strategy. So now I will just move ahead to my dashboard right over here. You can see here is my dashboard where I can edit the website. So inside of the appearance, I will just head towards to the themes, okay, right here. So you can see there are like multiple themes here. So it says like new version is available. You can update it. So there are like 3 themes, or I can add in a new theme. So if I just click on add a new theme, so you can see like there are tons of different themes you can choose. Okay, these themes are actually great and you can pick any one of them as you like. Okay, so for this video, what I will do is I will just search a theme which is called Sydney. Okay, so this is our theme which we will be using. Okay, so I'll just click on install. So it's installing for me. And now I can activate this theme. So yeah, it says welcome to Sydney. So if I just go back to my website and just click on visit site on a new page. So now it should actually be new theme. But it's not looking nice. So you can see the theme is installed. But as I told you before, it's just the theme. We still have all of our details right over here. So we need to get a starter kit actually. Okay, so I'll just move back to my themes. So it says welcome to Sydney. You can see right over here. So here is the thing which says starter site. You can see right over here. Okay, this is where we start grabbing our templates. So we can start off with a professionally designed ourselves rather than building up everything from scratch, which would take like ages, and it doesn't get better than this. Okay, so let's take on the starter sites. So it's redirecting me. You can see right over here. So here what we will do is we will just click on starter sites. So you can see right over here. Okay, and now we are no longer looking at just themes. Now we are looking at starter sites. So what you see is actually what you get. Okay, for example, this is the main one. Okay, so if I just click on preview, so you can see this is actually the complete starter site. We have home, we have the blog, we have services, like we can post the content according to our needs. Okay, this is the about page, and this is actually the portfolio, and this is actually the contact page. Okay, so you see how amazing is this thing. So if I just go back, so you can see that many of them are free, but some of them are pro as well. Okay, so all we need to do is just grab a free starter kit. Okay, so it will all be good to go. So if we just go to this one like fashion shop and preview this, because our website will also be of something like we will be selling the glasses, the spectacles. So that's actually great. We can change this like we want and it would actually look nice. Okay, so here we have like the home page, this one right over here. We have about page as well. And here we can show the about section of our store actually, and we can write the blogs to like get more traffic to our site. And this would be the shop page, okay, where we can actually be posting this stuff which we want to sell. And this would be our cart actually. So that's really amazing. Okay, so if I just go back, and now what I can do is just I can actually import this starter kit. So I just click on import. And we actually need to import everything, the entire site actually. Okay, then I will click on next. It says like subscribe and import. I don't want to subscribe. I'll just click on skip and start importing. So it's actually importing this to our site actually. So that is actually big. It will take a while and then import this entire starter kit into our site. You can actually use any of the template as you like, but I will probably suggest you like choose this fashion shop starter kit because we're going to follow along this course to build the website from the scratch. So that would be like beneficial for you. Okay, it's like importing contents. It's done 50%. I will be back when it's done. Okay, all right. Congratulations, your website is ready. Go ahead, customize the text, images, and design to make it yours. Okay, so if we just go to view our site, so now you see how amazing our site looks with this starter kit. Okay, so we will actually be changing all of this stuff here, like which is present here, in the next video of this section. Okay, so we will be actually modifying it according to our needs actually. So that would be great. So now you see our website has homepage, about page as well. Like this would be our about page, like what is like about our store. We have a blog page as well, where we will be actually writing blogs to get more traffic to our site and to sell our things. In this lecture, we are going to be setting our website title, creating a website logo, and then creating a tagline. Now, first things first, I'm going to show you what it is, explain why it's so important, and then we are going to go ahead and do it. Okay, so to start off, you can see here I am on my website. You can see right over here, this is my website. Okay, so what I will do is I will just click on customize. You can see right over here. So now it says like you're customizing your website like Opti rule blockers. Okay, so the active theme is Sydney. You can change the theme from here as well. Okay, so I'll just move back, and so it says want more customization options, like you can buy Sydney Pro as well. So we don't need that actually. So here are like multiple options like general, header, hero area. This is actually the header part, this thing right over here. And this is actually the hero part, the center one. Then typography, pages, blog, footer, colors, portfolio, menus, widgets. Everything you need here is actually provided. Okay. First of all, we need to modify the header section of our website. So I will just move on to the header section. So there are three options here. First of all is site identity, then the main header, and then the mobile header. So I will just move on to the site identity, and there are like multiple options. Like you see, this is the site title, which is right up here. And here it is tagline. Okay. Now, the site title is important for a variety of reasons. First of all, the site title helps Google understand what your name is and what you're all about. That is why we are looking for a descriptive name of our website, to what we are selling and to what we are all about, like what a brand actually is. And since I am not the most creative person in the world, and if you're suffering from the same thing, or even if you are not, we are going to get some amazing help from our friend ChatGPT. So you can see here we are on our ChatGPT. Okay, so I will just give it a prompt like the name of our website is Opti Blue Blockers. Our mission here is to protect gamers from blue light, to improve their gaming and to improve their night of sleep and improve their enjoyment. Okay, so now I will say give me a tagline that represents my business. Okay, and I can further say provide me with 10 of them. Okay, so let's see what it produces. All right, here you see it just provided me with 10 amazing taglines. Okay, you can see right over here. Like the first one says, game longer, sleep better. The second one says, share your vision, elevate your game. And the third one, play hard, sleep deep with opti protection, blue lights bane, gamers gain. I actually like this one. Okay, this one seems amazing. And if you're not satisfied, you can like write, give me 10 more. So it will just provide you with 10 more. Okay. and just try to reiterate it again and again until you get one that actually you like. Okay, so that's the idea of this thing. Use ChatGPT to its maximum potential. So I'll just come back to my website and I can copy the tagline here. Okay, so you see the tagline appears right here. So this is going to be our tagline. So this is our logo. We will be creating one in a while, but for now it's good. It doesn't have any issue. So that's great. Okay, so now you see our tagline will appear just under our logo. Okay, now even if you decide not to use your tagline in your logo or anywhere else, at least the search engine will get a better idea of what you are all about. So I strongly recommend that you create a tagline and edit it. So for that, what we need to do is we need to just open up a new page. I will just say google.com and I will just type in here Shopify logo maker. Okay, so you can see right here that it's here like free logo maker, create a logo in seconds with Shopify. So I'll just click on this thing. So it says that create professional logos in seconds, introducing Hatchful, the custom logo maker. So you can see there are amazing logos. You can just design the logos as you want. Okay, like there are thousands of editable templates that you can use. So I'll just click on create a logo now. So now it says that choose your business space. Like this helps them to create better designs. So it says fashion, health and beauty. So actually we are selling the blue light blocking sunglasses. Okay, so it's actually focused on gamers. So gamers are like more involved in, I think, tech. So I can choose either tech or games. So it's up to me. I will actually go with the tech option. Okay, so I will just click next. Now it's actually asking me choose your visual style. There are a lot of one like bold, calm, reliable, classic, conservative, like futuristic, industrial, innovative. So there are multiple options you can choose. So I'll just click on next. So now it says that add your business name. So I'll just come back to my website and I will just copy the site title and I will just paste in here. Okay. So again, it's asking you for the slogan or the tagline. It's optional, but let's add it in. Okay, so I'll just come back to my website right over here and I will just copy this and I will just paste it here. Okay, so then I will just click on next. So it says that tell us where the logo will be used. Choose all that may apply. So like we want to use it on online store or website. Like we can add it on social media as well, print and swag, business cards. Let's select all of them, okay? And then click on next. Like it says we made these logos for you. Like choose one to start editing. So here are our logos. You can see right over here. Like this one seems really amazing. And this one also seems good. This one is actually amazing. If there would be the option of like sunglasses here, so this logo would be actually really nice. Okay, so now what I want you to do is pause this lecture and take your time and scroll through the different logos and start finding one you like. This is about you and what you prefer and what's going to convey your design, your brand and style the best. So I highly recommend you don't use something like this, okay? Or this one, which is tall. Prefer the logo, which is not tall enough, okay? Because if we choose the logo that has like much height, what it will do is it will actually occupy a lot of space in our header section. I hope you got my point, okay? So we will actually try to get the logo that is actually wider instead of being taller, okay? So I think this one is fine. Let me just click on edit logo. Icons, wait, let me see. All icons. Maybe I can get something cool. Wait. Yeah, this seems like a gaming chair. So this thing seems good. Or maybe this one also seems fine. Or this thing as well. Not shortly up to you. Like if you want to go with something else, you can do that. But I like this thing, okay? This thing seems to be like a gaming chair. So that looks amazing.